Hello everyone, welcome back to the Most Comfortable Heels channel. My name is Vanessa and all I do on this channel is talk about how you can make your heels a lot more comfortable, because we all know how uncomfortable heels can really be. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your tight high heels wider by using these different type of shoe stretchers to make your high heels comfortable again. If you haven't watched my video on how to find comfortable heels if you have wider feet, I really suggest you to watch this video, because this is going to help you understand why it's difficult to find comfortable heels for us, because there's so many brands out here who don't even offer wide fit sizes. So a lot of us wide fit girls end up with heels that are just too tight for our feet. This shouldn't be the norm. Wearing heels that are too tight for you can result in you having corns and even bunions. It's important to know that if you have wide feet, that you should only wear wide heels. But if you're like me and you have a collection of heels you haven't worn because they just don't fit right, then I suggest you to watch till the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how to revive those uncomfortable heels with 4 different high heel stretchers. So the first tool I'm going to show you that you should use to make your heels wider is one that you maybe already seen on my channel before. Let me grab it. This is the mini shoe stretcher. I bought it on Amazon for $11.99. This mini shoe stretcher breaks in new shoes on the widest part of your shoes. And I've noticed by using these heel stretchers that it works best on heeled sandals. How you want to use the stretcher is place them in the widest part of your feet, and you want to twist it until it stretches and feels tight in the shoes. But be careful, you don't want to overstretch that area. So you can first measure the widest part of your feet and adjust the shoe stretcher to the width measurements of your foot. This is a shoe stretcher that only stretches in the width. Having wide feet can mean you have thicker feet. So this would be a great tool to use for heeled sandals. Because with heeled sandals, the bridge of your foot is often not covered with materials that needs to be stretched. So the next tool that I'm going to show you can help you skip that break-in period and just do the breaking in for you is the Forme shoe shaper. I bought it for $48.95. This shaper is so easy to use. All you have to do is slide the button to the front and pop the Forme shapers in your shoes. I bought a size 2. Does it make your shoes a size wider? Yes, it does, if you get the Forme shaper in a bigger size. But if you buy the Forme shaper in your own shoe size, like I did, all it will do is break in your new shoes for you and prevent creases in the toes of your new high heels. I'm going to show you the next tool you could use to make your shoe wider. This is the Eachway shoe stretcher. It stretches your shoes in the length, that's why this is here, but it also stretches your shoes in the width. The thing I really like about this shoe shaper is it has holes in here. And the reason it has holes in here, for the bunion girls out here, sometimes we need to have a specific area that needs to be a little bit wider for our bunion. You need to have the imitation bunion, something like this, because when you place this in the heels stretcher, it gives that specific area in your shoes that extra width it needs to have. This shoe stretcher really does its work. You can even check the positive reviews on Amazon.com. People really love this shoe stretcher. The way you want to use this is place this in your high heels and twist the hook to make it a size wider. And twist the wheel to make it a shoe size bigger. Don't over twist to prevent overstretching. The Eachway shoe stretcher should feel snug in the heels and not like it's about to bust open your shoes. For best results, you should leave the stretcher for at least 1 week in the shoes. Now I'm going to show you this heel stretcher is specially made for boots, and it has holes on the side as well. It can make your boots wider, as you can see here. Ooh, my fingers. This one I bought it on Amazon as well. This is the Footfitter Premium and cost me $54.95. It only came with 1 shoe stretcher. So when you're going to stretch your shoes, make sure that when you do this, you have enough time to stretch the left part and stretch the right part of your shoes. This shoe stretcher is so easy to use. All you have to do is place them in your boot and twist the lever clockwise to make it wider. If you want to, you could use the bunion imitator, but if you don't have any bunions, you don't have to use the imitator. So yeah, these are the shoe stretchers you could use to make your heels a lot more comfortable. There's so many shoes out here that attacks our feet. We need to know what tools to use. These are the tools that make your heels a lot more comfortable, so definitely make use of them. So please let me know, what shoe stretcher do you think you're gonna use? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so happy that you tuned in to know on how to make your heels wider. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like this video if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you like to know more on how to make your heels a lot more comfortable, and definitely hit that notification bell if you want to see my video always popping up on your timeline. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys the next time, where I'm going to talk about how to make your heels a lot more comfortable.